Let's open the Ipsy Glam bag. My name's Amber Wood. I'm almost 48 years old next week. Eek! Haven't gotten yours yet. Make sure you use the link in my bio. And sometimes you get to try new brands that you've never tried before. Oh my God, look at the peach. So cute. 5 sample size items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Ooh, illuminating moisturizer. We like to illuminate. Very good for the over 40 crew. Kiss and Smink. I don't know what this is. Is this a lip? Pretty. Oh, it's a tinted lip oil. Everybody's doing the lip oils right now. Body Surge. Are you feeling a little overdone with the lip oils? I feel like we get it, right? I'm just saying. Gold Fadden MD Body Care. Hydrating and Restoring Body Moisturizer. If you have trouble opening little stuff like that, get your tweezers. Let's try it. I mean, why not? Ooh, ooh, that does smell good. It's like fruity or something. I can't tell what this is. It's like another language. By Row something, New York. It's a toner. Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. Toner. We got a $1 billion brow lift. $1 billion brows. Why does it lift? It's just like, I don't know, a little spoolie. So I assume that it's like a little gel, but why does it lift? Okay, but any hoosies, that's 5 items. I believe it's like $13 a month. I am in the creator program, so I get to see all this good stuff and share it with you guys. So it really helps me out if you use my link, if you're signing up for one, or maybe you want to get one for Mother's Day. A little glam bag stuff, but this would be such a cute Mother's Day gift for somebody, either your mom, your sister, your wife, whoever. Just trying to help out. I'm just trying to help. Now, if you wanted to upgrade a little bit, you could also get the BoxyCharm. Now, the BoxyCharm comes with full-sized items. So it looks like we got, ooh, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Good stuff. I'm actually wearing the brown one right now. Got a lip liner duo. Mischo Beauty. Oh, it's on the front. I didn't even see it. Mischo Beauty. Some lip liner. A Violet Voss palette. This says Pretty in Paradise. All-in-one face and eyeshadow palette. I feel like they really like Violet Voss over at Ipsy. Infab Renew Retinal Eye Fix Treatment. Did I say that right? Retinal Fix Eye Treatment. I said it backwards. Reverse. The over 40 group. Nice, nice. Lovely. Not completely my cup of tea, but lovely. I mean, the green is pretty. I probably will still use it. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, a Breakdown Oil-Free Makeup Remover. Yeah. Oh, okay. So got a little, do it on a cotton ball or a cotton, or, you know, little pads, little cotton pads. Earth Month. They're celebrating all things natural to show Mother just how much we love her. Go to my link and it helps support me as a creator. And thanks for watching. Okay, bye.